Hey guys, Sophia here, and guess what? It's the return of garbage picking. This is what I found today. I'm actually supposed to go quilt instead of doing this, but anyway, I want to show you what I got today. Trash picking in my town. So we're going to start with this entire box here of what seems to be Arco-Rock or Luminarc type glasses. There's different kinds, so there's a whole bunch of those, and they're really heavy. It's beautiful. And then there's this fantastic tray. Look at this thing. This is really nice. And in the back it says woven selections. I'm not sure. I'll put the name down below or in the description right here. Okay, so there's that. I found this hurricane with the one of those fake candles, and it came with the little remote, which is on the other side. Now how about this? I don't know who this is. I don't see a sticker or anything. It's a beautiful crystal bowl, and then with it was this gorgeous bowl right here. And again, I'm not sure who the maker is. I have to research all of this stuff. Okay, all right. And then there was those three Pomodelo pottery mugs. All of this stuff I gotta price out. And then in this box right here, okay, and then in this box here, there's an entire set of espresso coffee cup in that cobalt blue. They are brand new in the box. Thank you, Scott. It's my assistant. And then in this one, there's another set of espresso cups and saucers, and those are by, I'm not sure, but they're really pretty with a platinum little ring. All brand new. Okay. And then there's this baby here. Oh, here's the remote right here, and it's by Luminara. Okay. And then there's this baby here, which I was saying to myself, please don't be a singer. Please don't be a singer. Because, you know, I've had problems with singer. But anyway, it is a singer. It's a machine. So I'm going to take it downstairs and try it out later on. But I just wanted to show you what I got. So this is definitely going to go on Etsy. This is going to go on Etsy. Probably going to go on Etsy. This I have to figure out what they are. The blue ones are probably going to go on Etsy, and this probably going to go on the Facebook Marketplace. And then these guys here, I really like them. I got to press them out and see if they're anything special. I doubt it, but we'll see. But anyway, that was my bonus video for the week. Give me a thumbs up and let me know down below if you want me to continue to document what I find on my trash picking days. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.